Hey guys, welcome to the sixth video of my series on Introduction to Matplotlib, and in this video we're going to see how do we draw a scatter plot using Matplotlib library. So first of all, what is a scatter plot? A scatter plot is actually a two-dimensional visualization in which we use some dots to represent the values which we obtain for two different variables, which is in which one variable is plotted along the x-axis and another variable is plotted along the y-axis. So for example, consider this case in which we want to draw the weight and height of children. So each dot represents a child, and along the x-axis we get the height of that child, and along the y-axis we are getting the weight of that child. So in this way we are plotting this particular data, and it is giving us a kind of an insight that as the height increases, most of the people gain weight as well, right? So this kind of visualizations are called scatter plots, and let us see how we can make a scatter plot using Matplotlib. So the first thing that you need to do is just import the pyplot module from Matplotlib library, and then here is the data that I'm going to use. So I've got the x-axis values and the y-axis values for my data points, and now all you have to do is plt.scatter. So scatter is the function used for making a scatter plot in which you have to pass x-axis values, y-axis values, and that's it. You get a very nice scatter plot. And let me just put a plt.show here as well. So yeah, so this is my scatter plot, and now you can do a few customizations to this particular plot. For example, you can just set the size of your markers as, let's say if you put it 30, or let's say you put it 50, it will grow bigger. So let me make it 100. Look at that, that is getting bigger and bigger. And other than that, you can also set the color of your markers. So let me make it red, so the markers are now red. Other than that, you can also change the marker type of marker that you want to use. So let me make it a star by putting an asterisk here. So look at that, you can change that as well. And other than that, yeah, so this is the most simple example that you can have for showing a scatter plot, and you can simply put a label as well. So for example, if you are plotting two types of data in the same scatter plot, then you would like to put a label like this. So let's say I make it stars, so I can just do plt.legend, and then we have something like this. So looks like a perfect scatter plot. So yeah, making a scatter plot is quite easy in Matplotlib, and I hope this is clear. If you still have any doubts, you can put them in the comment section below. That's it from this video. Thanks for watching.